This video is not about saving money. It is actually about your toothbrush hygiene. We all know we can buy a new toothbrush from the store, but this video is not for true subscribers. It is for those who want to know how to clean the toothbrush to prevent bacteria growth. Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog. So, how do you do it? Do you pour boiling water over it or use something else? Today I will share with you how I clean my toothbrush. First you need to fill a glass with warm water and place your toothbrush inside. Then add a denture cleaning tablet like Corega or any other product you prefer. This will eliminate 99% of bad breath causing bacteria and fungi, remove plaque, discoloration and food residue. It is also gently on the material of your toothbrush. Leave your toothbrush in the glass for 15 minutes, your toothbrush will be clean. Remember to rinse it under running water and pour out the liquid. The best way to say thank you to the author is to share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.